recently did some work on this clean 1969 Chevelle for a cool customer who's become a good friend over the years. The car came to us with most of the pieces in place, but just not playing all that well together. In fact, it's been a repeat visitor over the years, getting better upgrades each time. On its first visit, we did some driveline repairs, but the fun project was creating and installing a custom contoured firewall we made in our fabrication shop. It was made from 18-gauge cold-rolled steel, and the design added strength and a style that didn't look out of place on the Chevelle. Once it was welded in place, bodyworked and painted, we moved on to the engine. It originally arrived sporting a crate big block Chevy, but we eventually installed a Fast Times Motorworks built 460 cube torque monster for more laughs from the right pedal. This one started as a 454 with a 4-bolt block, but was bored and stroked to 460 cubes with Scat I-beam rods, Keith Black pistons, and ARP hardware throughout. The top end relies on a Howard's roller cam and Edelbrock heads and intake, inhaling the mix from an MSD Atomic EFI system. It's bolted to a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission, shifted by a Hurst stick and a hydraulic clutch for smooth action. We installed 355-to-1 motive gears in the 12-bolt housing, along with a Detroit TrueTrack differential for better grip. And we love the sound of a rumbling big block through the stainless, X-piped Borla mufflers. Handling is improved with a QA1 tubular coilover suspension system up front for adjustability, a nice ride, and a lowered stance. The upsized QA1 sway bar resists body roll when you whip the Grant steering wheel and the Delphi quick ratio steering box around. The rear is hung with more QA1 coilovers, tubular arms, and a sway bar. We added Willwood disc brakes all the way around, which hide behind 17-inch Rocket Racing booster wheels, and the calipers are squeezed by a Hydratec hydraulic brake assist unit. Inside you'll find Dakota digital gauges, a tilt steering column topped with a Grant wheel, Scat seats, and a Vintage Air AC unit with its compressor and belt held in place by a Vintage Air Frontrunner serpentine accessory drive system under the hood. The Chevelle wears a handsome shade of metallic charcoal gray, but it really came to life when we added some custom-made silver SS396 stripes to the sides of the car. It's a sharp car, and it drives like a champ. You could see more photos of the work we did on this one by clicking on the link in the description. And please don't hesitate to contact us if your muscle car needs some upgrades, tuning, or maybe even a complete do-over. We're happy to help. Reach us at v8speedshop.com, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'd love to hear your comments.